In 1922, Bacardi, these guys, they brought to the world the original Cuban Piña Colada. Now you may have heard the name, you may have even heard the song,
If you like Piña
but
Colada.
have you ever made a Piña Colada at home? Well, today, with me, novice cocktail maker Josh Dean, I'm going to guide you through, step by step, or try to at least, on how to make a Piña Colada at home, using all of these fabulous ingredients. So, let's get into it, and let's start this cocktail. Alright, so with this one we start off with our cocktail shaker, and we just get some pineapple chunks, so 3 to 4 pineapple chunks. We're going to be a bit tricky and use the end of the knife. Just chop this one in there. I'm going to use the pineapple juice from the tin as well that's in this cocktail today. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. So yeah, got these in here. I'm just going to give them a bit of a muddle, a bit of a basheroo. Put it on the ground. So yeah, just give them a bit of a mash around, crush them up. And then we're going to add 35 mils of coconut water. So you can use fresh coconut water. I find this is just as fresh. This one actually is preservative free as well, so get that into you. Anyway, I'm gonna do my, what was it, 30 there? And just a little tiny little bit for the 5. Awesome, so I nearly forgot what the measurement was. That's how long it's been since I've made a cocktail. It's been 1 week. Anyway, so from that we're going to chuck in 25 mils of the fresh pineapple juice, so just a little bit. So just a little tiny bit underneath for sure. Pop that in there. Now, once that's all in there, we're going to add Bacardi, so the hero of this cocktail. So 50 mils of this guy. So this one's a little bit stronger than a standard cocktail you usually get. Usually we do about 45 mils, I think, like in previous recipes that I've made anyway. And the Bacardi website, I always usually I'll go online and I'll look up a recipe or whatever. And on the Bacardi website they had this one with caster sugar on it. Last week though, I went and picked up this cocktail syrup. So I think this will be just as good as actually putting the sugar in. I'm sure all the actual cocktail makers out there are probably gonna school me as to why I shouldn't be putting caster sugar in it or why I shouldn't be putting this in, but maybe I'm doing the right thing. So if I'm doing the right thing, just help me out and tell me I'm doing the right thing. So yeah, 5 mils of this. I don't really need to use this, I'm just doing it because I want to be safe. I don't trust myself. Awesome, so all of that's in there. We're going to pop some ice cubes into our shaker and just fill that up to the top now. And then we will get to the fun part. So let's just fill this baby up with ice. So when I was looking up the method for this, there was so many different kind of ways to make this drink. You can make it with cream of coconut, you can make it with coconut cream and sugar. Pouring a big tin of coconut cream into the mixture and then blending up all the pineapple and stuff. So I grabbed a few things because I wasn't really too sure on what I was gonna kind of end up and finishing with. And I think I just went in on the Bacardi. I feel like Bacardi making this original kind of Cuban, what's it called, Piña Colada. That they probably know what's up, and yeah, they're just such a well-known brand. So yeah, anyway, give this one a shake it really. Now with this one, because I was looking up those other, doing some research for you all. I'll keep checking it. So I was doing some research for you all, and in my research, yeah, I found out that it's made with blenders and kind of blended ice, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to be shaking this for a while. Oh my god, my hands just stuck to that shaker. Oh, I need to give it a break for one second. While that's sitting down, I'm gonna just let it sit for a sec. I'm gonna grab my pineapple, and this is just for the garnish, so just give it a bit of a slice open. Get into it. Here we go. I've got this. We just got our wheel. We just want to take a little. Sorry, I'm like catching my breath from shaking that. It's hectic. So yeah, just a little guy, little piece, and we're just going to. Can you do it? Can I do it? I can do it. I did do it. Alright, we've got that there. I'm gonna shake this for a little bit more. Epic. Alrighty, let's pour it. How are we going? There we go. Oh, slowly coming in. I think I'm gonna put this off to the side first, and then I'll put that on later. Now I know it fits anyway. There's still a bit more juice in that. Look at that. This is a juicy cocktail. Right, now it's getting awkward. Cheers. When is it never not awkward though, seriously? Alright, and then before I preemptive garnish, the garnish is now on. And we have a Piña Colada style. Mwah, 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 and mwah. Delicious.